Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'm going to be guiding you on each steps and each privacy settings of TikTok, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, what we want to do is go ahead and launch the TikTok application. Then make sure that you're signed into your account. Then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right. Tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and then you want to go to the option called settings and privacy, which is basically at the bottom. So once you go to the option called settings and privacy, over here right under the account section you'll find the option called privacy. So you just want to go to the option called privacy here. The very first privacy setting we have is if we want to turn on private accounts. So when you want to turn on private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. So these are the people that you have to choose manually whether you want to accept their follow request or not. Then after that you have the activity status. If you want to let people view your active status, you could absolutely do that, or else you could just turn it off. But the downside of this feature is that when you turn off your active status, you will also not be able to see other people's active status. That's basically how it works. The other is if you want to suggest your account to others, you can just go to it and then you can allow your contacts, Facebook friends, people with mutual connections, so on. Or if you want to sync contacts and Facebook friends, you could absolutely do that, which I'm not going to get to right away. The other is we have our post interactions and our comments and everything else. So first of all, you can see comments. Over here you can choose who can comment on your video. Then you can filter spam and offensive comments, or you can filter the keywords as well. Then you have mentions and tag. If you want to be tagged by everyone, you can select everyone, or you can actually choose to be mentioned by only a few specific people, such as friends, people you follow, or nobody else at all. Then you have the option called direct messages. So basically if you want to receive direct messages, for this we only have the option called friends or no one. So if you do want to receive messages, you can select friends or just select no one. The other is group chats as well. Then you have the read status. If you want to let them know that you have read the message, you can turn that on. If you want to see the filtered request, you can turn that on as well. After that you have duet, then stitch, and who can stitch your videos, everyone. Who can duet your videos, everyone. Who can add stickers, and who can download your videos. If you want people to be able to download your videos, you can just turn that on. But sometimes I just like to leave that off. Who can see your following list, you might find this intriguing. If you don't want people to see your following list, you can just set that to only me. Then you have the liked videos, who can see all of the videos you've liked. Of course you don't want no one to see that, so I'm just going to leave that to private. Then you have post views. Post views basically means that if you actually turn on post views, people who have also turned on post views will be able to see that you have viewed the video. And the profile view also works in a similar fashion, because if you turn on profile views and the person who viewed your profile has also enabled profile views, then you will be able to get notified that person has viewed a specific profile. But if the other person or if only one of you has not turned on profile views, then no one else will be notified. Then you have the blocked account section, and these are simply some of the privacy settings on TikTok that you might find intriguing. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.